Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.